Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie. Let's get to crafting. For the first DIY, which is actually more of a trash to treasure, I had picked up this metal hanging basket from a yard sale for just $1, and it's really cute on this side, and I kind of didn't want to paint it, so I'm just going to use the back side. And the first thing I'm going to do is use the Chiffon Cream Chalked paint by Rust-Oleum, and I only give this one coat. Like I said, I don't paint the front, I'm only doing the back side. And in case you couldn't tell, I am really loving this color. I've already used it on a few projects already, and I absolutely love it. And I've got a bunch of it left over, so I'm trying to use what I have. Once that was completely dry, I just go ahead and take these letter stencils I had picked up over at Walmart for like $2, I think. I can't really remember. And these are really nice stencils. They are adhesive, and what was really nice is that I was trying to place the letters where I thought I wanted them, and I kept having to lift them up, and I was moving them around, and thankfully the sticky part of these stencils did not take off any paint, so that is a bonus because I did have to do that quite a bit on this. But anyway, so I'm just doing the letters, or the words rather, letters to Santa. I'm using the Crimson Chalk Paint by Waverly, and as I move along, I do have to move letters around because you only get one sticker per letter, so I do have to reuse a couple of the stickers. That's why you only see me painting let. So then I just have to move them, paint, move them again, you know what I mean. So this is what it looks like once that is all done. And next I'm going to go ahead and use one of these little trucks from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use one of the two of these plaid Christmas trees that were in some pics that I had grabbed, I think from Dollar Tree. And I'm just kind of playing around with them and trying to figure out exactly where I want to put them. Now that bottle brush tree on that truck, I do have to trim down with some scissors. And one of those plaid trees I also have to cut down because I wanted one tall and one short. And then once I get all of that taken care of, I just glue everything down. So my original idea for decorating the inside of this metal hanging piece is I wanted to get some like thin pieces of wood and just cut it down, sand it, and then paint it to make it look like an actual envelope to Santa. And I might actually still do that. If I do, you can follow me over at Home with Texas Girl. That is my new vlog channel. In case y'all have not found me over there yet, I invite you to come on over and check out some vlogs. I'm doing Vlogmas right now. So, and if I do that, I'm going to show that over there. Sounds like a really cute idea. I just was running out of time and I'm already a day late getting this video out to you, so I do apologize. Lots going on. So if you are interested in seeing that, I can also post it on Instagram if you want to follow me over there, or my other channel, At Home with Texas Girl. So here's how it's looking so far, and I think it looks really cute, but it still needs something else. So I decided to make a bow using this ribbon that I had from Dollar Tree. Really cute. It's like a burlap ribbon, but it's like see-through, if that makes any sense. Anyway, so I'm just doing a simple bow, and I just tie it around with some jute twine from Dollar Tree, and I hot glue some extra jute on there so I can tie it around the little hanging piece. And then once I get that done, I just fill it with some picks that I had grabbed from Walmart. They were only like 97 cents a piece. And I called this project done. So this next DIY, I have these two Dollar Tree crates. Now, I know what y'all are thinking. Oh boy, she's just gonna hot glue these two crates together as everybody always does and stain them. Okay, yes, but hang on. Before you leave, watch what I do. I've got something else in mind. But yes, I do hot glue those together. I am going to stain them with the Antique Wax by Waverly. You know how this all works. You put the wax on there, you wipe it off so it creates a very lovely stain. Okay, but hang on, watch what I do. And the reason why I'm leaving this segment in is because for those who are brand new to crafting, maybe they haven't seen this step before. I mean, a lot of us have, lots of people do these things with the crates and everything, but there are new crafters all the time. So I'm leaving this in so that the, new crafters can see this. Not a big deal. If you've already seen this, you can go ahead and skip ahead if you want to, but left it in for new crafters. So I picked up this J and a Y over at Walmart, and I think they were like $1.50 a piece. Now they have letters that are $1. They're slightly smaller, but I couldn't find a J or a Y, so this is what I went with. But I'm just going to paint the face of these letters in the crimson red paint. And I just do one coat because it covers very nicely. And then what I forget to show later on is that the edges of the letters I paint in a metallic, I think it's metallic. Anyway, it's a gunmetal gray. I think it's by Folk Art. And it helps give the letters some dimension. So what I'm doing here is I grabbed 3 of the Jenga blocks and I did the same stain as I did with the crates, and I just wanted to make sure that these letters had something to hold up against. That windmill came from Dollar Tree during the springtime. I had it from a previous project, so I had already painted it white, and all I did was I just took that same gunmetal gray and just kind of did a dry brushing over top of it. Well, kind of a heavy dry brush. And as you can see, the letters have that gunmetal gray on the edges. So I think this looks very nice. And so now I'm just kind of hot gluing everything into place. And I'm going to show you, now this is an inspiration piece from Kirkland's. This is where I got my inspiration came from Kirkland's. They have this for $79.99, and I love how cute this is, but it's got the corrugated metal around the J and the Y, and I wasn't really sure how I was going to pull that off. I mean, I probably could have used cardboard or something like that, but maybe I took the easy road. I don't know. So I just painted with the gunmetal gray, and here I am just kind of hot gluing everything together. And I think this turned out so super cute. And then what I do here in just a minute is I'm going to grab one of the stickers, those little wood stickers that you can pick up from Dollar Tree. It's the green glittered Christmas tree, and I hot glue that to the center of the windmill. So, and I really love how this turned out, and I can't wait to add it to my holiday decor. So this is how it turned out, and I am absolutely in love with this. I am so happy with how this turned out. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me which one was your favorite. I want to thank you so much for being here. Please, if you're new, hit subscribe and like, and I will see you next time. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.